Remerge is an Oklahoma-based pretrial diversion program serving high-risk, high-need mothers and their children. And as reporter Taylor Jackson tells us, now they're expanding what they have to offer.
Remerge, a local nonprofit that gives mothers involved in the justice system a second chance, is launching a new teen board.
I am a mother of 3 teenage kids, and so I certainly have been able to observe the power that youth can have in their community, and also the importance of them learning about just the nonprofits, but more importantly about the people that are being served.
Remerge CEO Aaron Engelke says the inaugural teen board is open to high school sophomores, juniors, and seniors.
And this includes public, private, home schools, wherever a teen is coming from. We certainly encourage that. And ultimately, we're looking for teens that have a desire to not just add something else to their resume, right? Like, we want this to be an opportunity for them to grow and develop and learn.
Engelke hopes the opportunity will help youth understand other walks of life.
I certainly think that for a lot of youth, they don't have the opportunity to interact with individuals that are justice involved. There continues to be a mindset within our community and within our nation that says that we just need to lock them up because they've committed a crime. And certainly we do want to protect the safety and security of our community, but I'll tell you that the mothers that we serve here are not a danger to society.
Engelke says most of the mothers they serve have faced adversity. According to the 2022 status of women in Oklahoma, childhood trauma leads to an 80% chance of incarceration.
There's a lot that's occurred in their life that has landed them where they are. And so I'm certainly passionate about seeing future generations understand that dynamic and also be able to develop relationships with women that we serve here at Remerge.
The organization plans to select about 20 members.
So ultimately, the Remerge Teen Board will have an opportunity to gain just really solid leadership experience about what does it mean to be a board member, what roles do they play, what are Robert's Rules of Order, how to chair a meeting, those kinds of just basic, I would consider, professional development skills.
High school senior Georgia Gray will serve as the chair of the board. Gray and leaders at Remerge are currently preparing for the board's start during the fall semester.
So we've kind of been just planning out meetings a little bit because we're meeting like once a month on a Sunday, and just kind of figuring out like what we want to do in those meetings, because we were like, we don't want it to be repetitive, but we want to like share the story of Remerge so then the students can actually like know like what's going on. Like, you don't want to be on a team board just to be on it.
Gray foresees a future in the nonprofit sector.
I've just always had such a passion for like nonprofits and just like what they do and how they're helping Oklahoma City and everything. And just Oklahoma in general, not just Oklahoma City. But I don't know what side that's going to take, but definitely I am interested in working in nonprofits.
Students will spend time serving the justice-involved community.
So they'll have tons of opportunities to volunteer and to engage with the mothers that we serve as well as their children. They'll be able to create an event that will benefit the moms here as well as raise awareness within their own networks. They have whole groups of friends that we know nothing about, and we want them to be to have the influence within their own networks.
Gray says she's looking forward to meeting with the mothers in the program.
One thing that we want to have at the meetings is like moms that have graduated come in and like speak their story and like what happened and everything. So I feel like that's one thing that I am really gonna listen and be there. I want to be at every single one of those meetings because I think that's one of the coolest like things to hear and listen to.
Remerge is the only prison diversion program in the nation that specifically focuses on women. The organization says one of their key factors is focusing on strengthening the family.
We are a very unique diversion program in the sense that we are very holistic, and our aim is to help mothers be reunited with their children, overcome their addiction, and really more than anything, learn healthy life skills so that they aren't reliant on criminal behaviors. And ultimately, what happens as they conclude our program is they get reunified with their children and all of their charges are dismissed.
Engelke says the transformation she has witnessed in the women that participate in the program is impressive.
You know, they come to us very scared, uncertain about what this program will entail. It's a scary situation to start something brand new, but they chose this over prison. And so it's our goal to make this a safe, hope-filled environment. But when they first come to us, oftentimes they're very downcast. They can't look you in the eye. They're just in I would say, a very dark place. But as the days and the weeks and the months go by, you start to see the light kind of overcome their eyes and their faces, and you start to see them embrace healthy behaviors and learn a little bit more about what brought them to this place. And it's a really special journey to watch.
And for students that are interested in joining the board, Remerge will host a meet and greet at their offices on Thursday, August 7th at 8:30 a.m. Applications are being accepted through August 15th. Taylor Jackson, The Oklahoma News Report.